Yo, today we're doing a move called the Carousel. Here's what it looks like. That's the move, and here is a slow-mo. Okay guys, so this move, one thing you're going to note is that this move is pretty hard. If you don't have your mechanics down really well, you're going to have some trouble with this move. So throughout this tutorial, I'm going to be pointing at stuff in the description. If you're having trouble and you haven't checked those things out, you're going to have trouble. So check them out and that should help. What you're going to do, this move can be done with either the bite handle or the safe handle. If you start with the bite handle, it's a little bit safer later on, so that's what we're going to do. So what you're going to do, you're going to start off holding the bite handle with your thumb and your 4 fingers on the back of the knife, just a standard grip like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to fling out the safe handle, like so. Now, just as you fling out the safe handle, what you're going to do is you're going to take your 4 fingers here and you're going to point them upwards, like that. So once again, right, you got the bite handle, you fling out the safe handle, you point your 4 fingers upwards, and the fling will continue, and you're going to hit your thumb pretty high up. And it's pretty important that you hit pretty high up. You see, my fingernail is basically right where I'm hitting, right? Right there. And so if you do this right, you got the bite handle, you fling it out, you point your fingers up, and you do this kind of a motion. What you're going to do here is you're going to go into a horizontal orbit, all right, which hits your thumb, and it's going to do 1 rotation. You're going to catch the same handle, right? So you fling it out, it hits your thumb, it's going to spin around, and you're going to catch the same handle. Now, the important thing with this trick is it can't just be any old orbit. You have to catch this trick in the exact same position that you throw it. So essentially, right, you throw it out, it hits your thumb, it does a rotation, and you want to catch it in the exact same spot, just as high up on your thumb, right? You don't want to catch it down here, you don't want to catch it down here. It's got to be right in the exact same spot. That's important. Precision in this move is really going to help you with the next roll, which is pretty hard. So anyways, so you fling it out. In order to keep it so that way when you catch it, it's just as high up on your thumb as when you threw it in almost the exact same position, you're going to have to do a little bit of a kind of a rotation here, kind of like a Chaplin. So just as it hits, you're going to push outwards, come around, and then pull backwards, and you're going to catch. So watch the Chaplin tutorial. This is an open Chaplin, so the rotation can be a little bit different, but it's the same kind of feel. Anyway, so you got the bite handle, you fling it out, it hits your thumb. Just as it hits, you're going to release and push forward and come around. You're going to catch the knife in the exact same position, just as high up on your thumb. So if you can't do that, I would watch the Chaplin tutorial and the orbit tutorial. They're going to be below. That'll help you. Now, so you've got that mastered, right? The next thing, this is where the tricky part of the move occurs. So from here, what we're going to do is you are going to fling the knife around and go into a 0G index open Chaplin. Now, to do that, fling the knife up, goes around your thumb. You catch in the same spot, right? Just as high up on your thumb. So we're starting in this position here. And what you're going to do, your 4 fingers are going to be pointed upwards, just like they were when you threw the knife. And what you're going to do is you are going to turn your hand downwards. So you start here, right? So you do the orbit, you catch in this position. I'm going to internally rotate, and I'm going to point my fingers downwards, like that. And so there's a little bit of a forward motion, right? They start pointing upwards here, and they move downwards, but for the most part, it's roughly in the same spot. At the same time that this is happening, I'm going to loosen my grip just slightly. And so what will happen is I'm going to turn my hand downwards, and the knife is going to fall like that. So once again, right, I'm up here, turn my fingers downwards, and release a little bit. Now, right when I reach this position here, what I'm going to do a backwards pull. Okay, so I'm kind of loosely hanging onto the knife. I do a backwards pull like that. And what that's going to do is if you pull it off correctly, right, you do the orbit, you do this downwards turn, this release, and a backwards pull, you're going to feel the safe handle hit your index finger. And it should hit it pretty hard. So I'll show you what that looks like. right? So from this upward position, you're going to go like that. And you can see I hit the wall with my elbow, so there's that noise. But the point is, it does a little bit of a bounce off my index finger. And that's really important because that bounce indicates that you have enough momentum in order to go into the next roll. So you see there, right? I kind of get this hit going on. So you want to be able to do that. So you want to be able to start in this position here and go around and get this hit like that. So you got this hit, right? You're there. So the next thing, this is where it really starts to get tricky. And so what we're going to do here is you're going to go into a 0G index Chaplin, but you're going to do it starting with almost no momentum. And so you're going to hold the knife to learn this trick. What you're going to do is you're going to hold the knife with your thumb and index finger right about here. So it's going to be slightly different. The positioning is really, really important, but it's different for almost every knife. And so for me, it's about an inch maybe below the handle that I'm hanging on to the bite handle here, right? So this is the position I'm going to be catching in. After I do the orbit, after I do this flip, I'm going to be catching the bite handle right about in this position here. So it might be a little bit lower, it might be a little bit higher, but for me, it's right about there. What you're going to pinch with your thumb and index finger. I'm going to extend my last 3 fingers like this, and I'm going to have the safe handle be pointed outwards away from me, right? So it's almost at a 90-degree angle like that, okay? And what you're going to do is you are going to pull towards yourself in order to simulate that motion that happens when we do the little, when we do this guy, right? And so you're this is just a way to practice it without doing that thing every time, right? So anyway, so you got the knife, right? It's kind of like supported in this position here. You do a backwards pull, and the safe handle is going to hit and bounce off your index finger. Now, just as that bounce happens, what you're going to do is you're going to go into an index roll. And so this bounce happens just as it hits. You're going to release with your thumb. You're going to pull towards yourself. You're going to push around. You're going to keep pushing around. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to catch the safe handle like that. So this is actually quite a tricky thing to pull off. Even me, right, I've been doing this move for quite a bit. I find it pretty hard to get consistent. Like as you can see there, right, it goes flying. This is harder than when you do the actual move and you have the momentum. But if you can do it like this, sorry, I got the wrong handle here. If you can do, right, like basically like that, this is going to be how you're going to learn how to do this move, basically. So once you got this grip here, right, you just pull towards you, you hit, you push out and around, and you're going to catch with your middle finger there after doing 1 rotation. It's going to be really hard. So if you can't get this move, one thing I would do, I would just forget about this trick. I would go back, learn some other stuff, learn like whatever Helix is. I would learn the double index roll, which I'll link in the description. Lots of different rolls you can learn that are similar to this one, but this is a pretty tricky thing. So you're here, right? You do this pull around and this catch, just like that. And you're going to catch it in this position here with your index finger and middle finger. Like that. So this is going to be pretty tricky, but it's going to take quite a bit of practice. Now, from here, once you've caught here, all you're going to do, you're going to catch in something like this position here. You're going to take the blade here and you're going to point it downwards like that. So you catch right about here. I'm going to point the blade downwards. I'm going to pinch with my last 2 fingers. I'm going to remove my index finger, place my thumb on the safe handle, and I'm going to go into an orbit again. So if you can do the first orbit, you can do this one, and I usually like to catch it. I do the orbit, it does a rotation, catch the bite handle, and into this position here. So you can go and do another trick or something. And so to go over this move one more time, what you're going to do, you're going to start off holding the bite handle, just like this. You're going to fling out the safe handle, go into an orbit. You're going to do 1 full rotation, catch in the same position that you threw. You're going to do this little push and twist and pull. It's going to cause the safe handle to hit your index, at which point you're going to remove all your fingers. You're going to go into an index roll. 1 rotation, you're going to catch the safe handle. You're going to point the knife downwards. You're going to remove your index, insert your thumb, fling the knife up, go back into an orbit, and you're going to catch in the pen grip. Right, so something like that. So there we go. That's the move. Hope you guys like that one. This one's a tricky one, but check the description, do all that stuff, master that. If you can't get this right now, just skip it and learn some other stuff and come back later. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this one. Peace.